House and lot for sale in Metrogate, Dasmariñas, selling at 8.7 million. Pre-selling ang offer natin dito, kaya yung down payment natin, pwede ito in 18 months to pay. And sa bank naman, 20 years to pay for 55,000. Complete unit turnover, 3 bedrooms, 3 toilet and bath, 1 carport, complete unit turnover. Complete unit turnover ang offer natin dito. Meron tayong living area, meron tayong kitchen area and dining area, meron tayong common toilet and bath dito sa ground floor, at meron tayong lanay area, 1 bedroom dito sa baba kung may kasama tayong elderly or meron tayong house helper na kasama. Dito sa second floor, meron tayong balcony area, meron tayong 2 bedrooms and 2 toilet and bath. Ito yung ating bedroom number 1 na meron sariling toilet and bath. Meron din tayong built-in cabinets. And dito sa ating bedroom number 2 or our master's bedroom, ito kaganda o ganito kaganda yung ating toilet and bath. Kaya kabayan, kung magiging interested ka sa property na to dito sa Metrogate, Dasmariñas, feel free to inquire, mag-message lang kayo sa amin para ma-assist namin kayo. By the way kabayan, this is Ed Federico, your real estate broker. Thank you!